from the point on a port, a ship is 5 kilometers away on the bearing of south 50 degrees east. So we are going to start the journey from here, from the port, right? So let's assume P is for the port. And here we are having the 4 cardinal points, which is this. Then a ship, let's call the first ship A, is 5 kilometers on the bearing of south 50 degrees east. So here we have east, here we have west, south, and north, and then south, right? Yes. So 50 degrees east is going to be southeast, it's going to be between south and east. So that is going to be in this direction like this. Then 50 degrees southeast means from south turning towards east, you are having 50 degrees. So here is 50 degrees. And that journey to the position of ship A is 5 kilometers. So let's assume this is 5 kilometers. So this journey is 5 kilometers. Then the other side, we are having 2 kilometers on the bearing of 60 degrees southwest, right? Yes. So from south, you are turning towards the west, 60 degrees. And that journey is 2 kilometers. Let's assume this 2 kilometers shorter than 5 kilometers. So here is 2 kilometers. And then between here, we are having 60 degrees, right? So we want to find the distance between this point. This is the first ship A, this is ship B. So we want to find the distance between ship A and ship B, right? So let's connect the 2 points together. So when we connect it together, this is what we are having. And this is the distance that we want to find. So let's assume it is X. You can call it X, right? So here now, in this place, you can add these two angles together to give us 60 plus 50. What is it giving us? 110 degrees, right? So this is 110 degrees. So in this case now, we are having an angle, 2 sides, and we have to find the third side of the triangle. So we are going to be using the cosine rule, which says that A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos A. Here A now is the angle that we are dealing with. So depending on the lettering we are having, in this case, this side now is opposite the angle will represent our small a, right? Yeah. So here we are having A squared is equal to the square of the other 2 sides, 2 squared plus 5 squared minus 2 times 5 cos what? What is our angle then? What angle are we having? 110 degrees, not 110. 110 degrees. So we are going to be having S squared is equal to 2 squared, which is what? 4. Plus 5 squared is what? 25. Minus 2 times 5, that is 20, right? Yes. Cos 110. So we need to find cos 110. Cos 110. What do you have? 0.3420. What is the number after it? 2. Okay, approximately this. Then we have to join these two together. S squared is equal to 4 plus 25, that is 29, yes. Minus 20 times this. 20 times 0.3420. 6.84. When it's after the decimal point, you call it 1 after the order. So therefore, S squared is equal to 29 minus 6.84. Let's combine it together. 29 minus 6.84. 22.16. 22 point what? 16, right? Yes. But it's not x squared that I need. I need to find x, right? Yes. So I'm going to take the square root of both sides. Here I'll find the square root of 22.16. What am I having? 22.16 square root.
That's 4.7074.
Yeah, for x is equal to
4.7074.
Approximately 4.7, right?
Yes.
So this is in kilometer, this is in kilometer. This has to be in kilometer also.
Yes.
And that is the final answer.